Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hello, hello, good morning. What's up, X viewers and Randy's YouTube channel or X channel? Good to see y'all. How we doing?
Artlist.io.
Just taking a quick look at financial juice here. Let's see what we got going on today. That was a pretty empty day here. Not a whole lot going on.
Artlist.io.
Fed Bowman testifies to the House at 10 East Coast. Trump cabinet meeting 11:30 East Coast. So a couple little things there to be not concerned about, but just paying attention to. We got about 8 minutes to the open here. Looks like we got the midnight open play available.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So I'm just trying to get some stuff going on here on the side. There we go. We are good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
What's going on here?
Artlist IO. Artlist IO.
There we go. So we do have a
Music
bullish fair value
licensing
gap here.
reimagined.
If we get an inversion on this guy, we're going to be thinking about taking a short. We actually have two in a row right there. Targeting, I don't know, let's see.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, viewers. We got 5 in Nick's channel, 3 in Nick's channel, 5 in Randy's X channel, and 1 in my YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Markets open here in about 2 minutes.
Artlist IO.
Man, the orders on the book map look pretty weird. Pretty undecided here. Orders above, orders below. Nothing really nothing really clear. NQ just broke below previous day high.
Artlist IO.
10 seconds to market open here, guys. So I only need 125 to pass this eval account. I'm actually thinking I'm going to be patient on that guy. Let's take a trade on this guy here first. So let's put this on the 5 actually. Kind of messed that up actually. Good thing I looked at that. So those are their fair value gaps right there actually. Let's get rid of this guy. Actually, this is probably the most recent one. There's a tech one right there too actually. Hey, Ballo10. Hey, mate. I really love your stream and enjoy being part of your fan community. Would you like to add me on Discord? Yeah, I can link the Discord channel for you. We have a free Discord channel if you want to get in there. No problem. I mean, I haven't seen your name before, but hey. Oh, you're on Twitch. Ha! Okay. Yeah, sorry, bro. Not really. I'll definitely link the Discord channel here for you, but don't expect people to be accepting your friend invitation unless they know you. They're pretty particular about that. So we broke below this fair value gap, but then held it 72 to 87 there.
Artlist.io.
Gotta be pretty long bias today so far, guys, but like I said, if we do invert this fair value gap, one of these fair value gaps, I'll be looking for a short, just a short scalp, but overall gonna be bullish on the day. So
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
we got some conflicting movement here on the indices. Currently, we have NQ's going up, Dow's going down, and ES is then going sideways. So we got some pressure on either direction here. Excuse me. Let's take a look at ES here. We might get this inversion here on ES before we get it on
Artlist.io.
midnight opens 68.21. But we got 20 seconds left on this candle here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, well, we did not get the inversion there. Hey, Zar. Good morning, sir.
Artlist.io.
Did you get in this? Did you get in a short up there? I'm feeling like we're going to be pretty bullish on the day, although I'm currently looking for a quick short trade here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder where Mr. Nick is these days. I know he's been pretty busy with his running along on MNQ at the opening candle. Nice, yeah. NQ's looking really nice right now. Dow and the ES, you know, Dow's going down. ES is sort of lagging.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, look at that thing! Holy smokes! Yeah, we held these fair value gaps. I was watching it there for a breakdown to take a short, quick short, and look at that, just like a rocket, like a rocket. At what point is this chasing now? I can't trade this though, right? Up 100 points in the first two candles. Nice trades, are. You saw it holding this level or what? And you're like, yeah, let's go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sheesh. I was watching NVIDIA and Fang saw the squeeze. Gotcha. Gonna open up the
Artlist.io.
Mag 7 here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking strong.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, NVIDIA's just ripping, hey? Where? Let's see. Wow, yeah. NVIDIA just a super green candle right there. 81.75 to 85.45.
Music licensing reimagined.
$4. Damn.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Pretty undecided here on what we could do right now, obviously. Seeing the Mag 7 starting to pull back a little bit here.
Music licensing.
NVIDIA still looking super strong. Barely forming a wick there. You trimmed most of the long there? Nice, yeah, good call. Nice trade though. Beautiful. Basically 100 points, so.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, that did not working out so far.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty risky trade up here. I need to stop this out here.
Artlist.io.
Give me a little pullback here, please, please, please hit it. Please hit it.
Music licensing
Come on, baby.
reimagined.
No. Come on. That's literally, we'll pass this eval if we can just get this order to hit here. Don't do it. Don't go up.
Artlist.io.
Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Doesn't want to go, guys. This could be trouble for me here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, looking pretty risky here at this point. NVIDIA's heading back to the highs. Let's go, boys. Just a little pullback here.
Artlist.io.
Don't pop, please. Please don't pop. There's a little sell-off here again. I need to cut this here, guys.
Music
Come on.
licensing reimagined.
Not looking good for me though right now. Kind of breaking my rules a little bit here.
Artlist.io.
Took the trade a little too early. Come on. Just a little sell-off here, guys. Just hit that TP. Come on, hit it. Yes. All right, boys. Pass this eval. Little risky trade,
Artlist.io.
but $53,010. So I'm gonna lock this guy out. Boom. One more Lucid account turned into a pro. I gotta take my sweater off now. I'm sweaty after that stressful rule breaking trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
That feels nice. That's the first of my 5 accounts that I've passed now of the Lucid. Lucid number 1. Lucid number 2, I got $400 away from passing that one. So I did put a whole bunch of money in all my instant funded accounts last night. Not a whole bunch, but like 75 and 70 in that one, and then 96 in this one, and I think it was another 99 or something in my TPT account.
Music licensing reimagined.
73 in my TPT account. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep chipping away here on some of these other evaluation accounts. So this one's $400 away from passing. That was pretty scary though. I gotta admit that trade was Hey Darren, morning. You took a small loss shorting so far on the ES. Yeah, I could have taken a loss there. I was just, looking for a small pullback. Ended up getting
Artlist.io.
8 points, and I had 10 contracts, so helped me pass that. Finally passed one of these evaluation accounts from Lucid. And we got 2 more accounts that are pretty close. This one's 400 away. This guy is 600 away.
Music
I won't be
licensing
pushing so hard as to
reimagined.
try to pass these today, but if I could put a couple wins into those accounts, would be nice. Could tie them up for a copy trade, but yeah, let's do that. You know what? Let's copy trade these guys. So we want number 2 as the leader. Get number 3 to follow and 4 to follow.
Artlist.io.
3, 4. So we'll tie the 3 accounts here together. Let's go back to the ES here. I'm waiting for an inverted fair value gap on the ES for a short
Music
idea.
licensing reimagined.
Looks like we have one right there. Oh no, we don't. So we need a closure below 68.42 to sort of take a short on the midnight open situation. Let's take a look at the YM here real quick. YM's bouncing a little bit here.
Artlist.io.
All right, so we didn't get that inversion there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
It's pretty cold in the apartment here. I had to throw a blankie on my legs. Killer trades are 100 points, eh? I wonder how many contracts you're in there. You have one mini on there? I don't know what's been happening with Uncle Nick. Where's Uncle Nick these days?
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, well look at that. We bounced up. We held this.
Music licensing reimagined.
And like we got two people in Randy's channel there. I'll just put a little post here in case you guys want to come on over and join my channel also. There's the link to my YouTube channel there, guys.
Artlist.io.
Still looking for this inverted fair value gap if this ends up happening. It could happen on this candle here. We got a minute and a half left here. Uh-oh. Pretty big sell-off right now, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
See, are they going to hold this?
Artlist.io.
I wonder if I'm gonna have to
Artlist.io.
reach out to them because on these evaluation accounts I had the wrong email address originally, so I got them to migrate it over, and then this one says 53,010, so it definitely passed the balance kind of thing, but it only shows 1516 of 3,000 here, so I probably have to submit it to them because they're not going to really know. So 23 seconds here, looking like we're gonna get this inversion right now. Let's get this out of here. Realistically, what am I looking for here? We have the overnight VWAP at 38. And we have point of controls down at 28.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did get an inversion there on that one fair value gap, this guy. So keep an eye here for Maybe we're gonna miss this entry. I was a little slow there to get it in. Here we go, we're in there. Put our stop here up at the high, sort of.
Artlist.io.
I'm willing to add another 2 ads to this to get us to maximum 15 contracts. Oh, this is my Lucid. Oh, we're copy. I forgot I was copy trading here, these guys. I thought I was doing a single account still. Might be a little aggressive on taking profits on this one. I don't want to risk too many accounts here. Oh, I won a profit match.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's so awesome. I just won a free account off profit match again, guys. That's so crazy. Got a W. Free account. Very nice. What time is this? I gotta go reach out to profit match here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I did stop that one out, guys, because I realized I was going a little too heavy for my likings with the with these copy trading accounts. I forgot I had linked up all 3 accounts. I didn't want to you know, I should be staying with 2 or 3 micros, not 15 micros. Because originally I was thinking about trading just number 4 or just number 5 even. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this again here with
Artlist.io.
with number 5 here. We'll put our stop up here. We got a better entry price actually, so might come back to bite us in the butt here, but we'll target sort of this low here. This fair value gap held, so that's, you know, not the best. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
40 times 5 is basically risking around $200 here on this trade. You know, actually the stop should be above the highs, but yeah, you know what? Let's do it, guys. Well, normally I'm going to put the stop on the highs. I know it's quite a bit of risk to reward, but 10.5 we'll shoot for, yeah, it's a 1.5 1 to 0.5 negative risk to reward roughly. So this should be sort of
Artlist.io.
right there roughly. So tough to short everything tilting up. Yeah, this is that Zach Arbucci's mechanical model.
Music
So
licensing reimagined.
don't follow this trade, guys. Sometimes this doesn't work. All right, Nick, good to see you. I was wondering.
Artlist.io.
Actually gonna just put the TP right here, guys. See if we can't get this to pull back down here. I mean, there's a he said, oh, he's looking at NQ, that's why. NQ. You're not taking airport trades? Okay, yeah, of course. Definitely don't. Last time I did, I lost $600
Music licensing
on an airport
reimagined.
trade. I was like, oh yeah, this one's gonna be good. I went in 10 contracts and yeah, no good. Come on, boys. Let's see a big red candle here, roughly back down towards the lows here. I'll be aggressive on dragging the stop down there. See if we can't lock in some win here. This is just a single account here. This is
Artlist.io.
my number 5 Lucid account. I've been a little more aggressive on these accounts because I have 6 accounts total. So yeah, that's not very good. That was a pretty strong bounce there. But I am seeing a little bit of pullback on
Music
NQ also.
licensing
But
reimagined.
looking like we're going to the highs here, guys. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. So probably just cut this guy here. Let's give it a few seconds. Let's see what happens here at this level. Probably give it another 2 ticks here. In case it decides to reject a little bit right here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Yeah, looking like it's gonna push right up and take me out. So yeah, we're out there. Okay, so I mean, pretty big risk trade on that one. Not the smartest trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
I was trading basically Zach Arbucci's model here, which is when you get an inverted fair value gap, you look for a short scalp, but should have cut that pretty early. See what happens at 56. I know, of course. Now watch, it's gonna probably turn around and head back down. But yeah, pretty bullish at the moment. So was really willing to risk this this account because, like I said, I got 6 of them, so I'm trying to be a little more aggressive on passing these guys here. So now that we're kind of taking the highs here, let's think about what's going to happen if we're going to be looking for a long here or not.
Music
Sort of
licensing
hopefully get a
reimagined.
pullback. Yeah, I should have looked a little bit left, hey? My stop was basically like right in there. Should have at least been, you know, up there. It's 57 something. 57, 58. That's okay. We'll get some wins back in this account here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we're looking to take that high here.
Music licensing
Got 1 minute left on this
reimagined.
candle.
Artlist.io.
Should probably see if I can open a ticket with them about my one account.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, NQ, hey? NQ's just ripping right now. Of course, ES is probably pulling back, I think, right? Yeah, a little bit. So really, this fair value gap obviously didn't mean much as we inverted that. This guy was the one that we needed to watch here. Or maybe it's, if I look at the 15, it's probably, no, it's not even there on the 15. Did we invert it there? We didn't even invert this 3 minute either. If you look at it like this, yeah, we never inverted it on the 3 minute here either. So yeah, just the time frame kind of threw me off there, obviously, because we look on the 5 and we have this gap here, this small one, which we did invert, but technically it's not the one that's most important. Maybe the 3 minute was better, or the second 5 minute one down here, right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so we did get this guy squished a little bit here. And where's our opening range? Our opening range is, let's put it on the 15 here, right there. So this is sort of our opening range.
Artlist.io.
We're above previous day high right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ or YM is now taking out, almost taking out the high. Or did it? $47.5.2, yeah. So we did take out the high on YM already, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, guys, are we looking for a long here? Maybe
Artlist.io.
we do have orders at 68.60 above, and I'm not really seeing much below here. See how it reacts off this New York VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Pretty nice bounce there off the VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
I mean, it's just hard for me to see how this could all go all the way back down to the bottom of the range, but you never know, I guess, right? Definitely getting a little bit of selling pressure right now.
Artlist.io.
Okay, I'm gonna try long here, guys, on this fair value gap. We did hold the New York pretty nicely. We're holding this fair value gap here. See if we can't get a pop up.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Be nice if this candle flipped and went green on us. Would love a bit of a flush to 580 range on NQ. Just gonna chill for a bit. I mean, yeah, you got $100 winner or 100 point banger this morning. I don't blame you.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we got orders up at 60, so let's just front run these orders. We'll put it at 59 here. If we get a nice little pop, it would be pretty decent to get out on that. So we're looking at 7, so 35 times 5. 160, 170 bucks.
Artlist.io.
The other two are still looking pretty bullish, so we're holding this level decently right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't see Austin or Randy today on the ASFX TV trade. I was thinking about adding if we dip down into this fair value gap again, but looks like I kind of missed it right there. If we start turning a green candle with like some momentum here, might be worth adding in here on the break.
Artlist.io.
Try to add two there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, boys.
Artlist.io.
And Q's kind of looking like it. YM's starting to go, guys. Starting to go higher here. And a bit of a rejection here at the 56 again, though, which was that high from earlier.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm sort of in I'm just gonna expand this a bit so I don't have to keep moving this around so I can see what's going on. You know what, I'm gonna pull this tab over here so I can keep track of what's going on there and I don't have to worry about this stuff while I'm in the middle of this trade.
Artlist.io.
Just chatting with the whatever service team at Lucid. 230 left on this candle here. Let's see if we get a pop here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Try to add one more here. See if we can't get it to pop here. Come on, boys, let's go.
Artlist.io.
Kind of feeling like we might not get it though, the way we're rejecting up here. But YM's looking pretty strong.
Music licensing reimagined.
We are getting a little bit of a pullback right now in NQ. That's not the best thing. That's not exactly what we're wanting to see here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
If we get up back to this high here, I'm probably gonna bring up my stop here. Although, now we're pulling back here. NQ's sort of pulling back a bit from the highs, sucking it down. YM's pulling back a little bit here. Hopefully we don't reject it. This is previous day high where we're sitting right now on ES, so this could be a sort of a rejection point here. Yeah, if we get up towards the high of that candle again, I'll probably be a little more aggressive on the stop here. Try to just capture, you know, majority. Put a 5 limit order here. Uh-oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Eight times 5, 40 times 10, 400. Another 400 risk on the table here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Hopefully we can hold this fair value gap here again. That would be a pretty nice little manipulation before we end up ripping to the highs here. We need a NQ to start cooperating though. ES or YM and NQ sort of not cooperating
Music
at the moment.
licensing reimagined.
We end up taking another big loss in this account. Obviously, we're going to not trade this account anymore today. Like I said, I'm being a little more aggressive with these accounts here because I have four others that I'm trying to pass. Whereas this one is kind of like the outlier. Just if I end up, having some nice wins, I'll end up putting this into that copy trade group, sort of. Holding that fair value gap pretty good so far. Let's see if we can't bounce this up though. Need more than that, guys.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
We did print a buy vol there. 77 contracts filled at 53 or 52 area. There we go, getting a bit of a bounce there. Come on, let's go up, back up to the highs here, guys. NQ got bought up there a bit. Let's see if they can print a little bit of a higher candle here. YM's not cooperating 100%, but it doesn't look horrible. Come on, let's go green.
Artlist.io.
Come on, NQ, let's lead the way. Having some real struggles here at this all these equal highs up here.
Reimagined.
Let's get ready to pull our stop up here. It used to be print a nice high move up here.
Artlist.io.
Bitcoin's bouncing pretty good, it sounds like. Come on, boys, let's go green. Come on, NQ. Give us some lift. Here we go. We need a Randy B. Summon this candle, Mr. Randy B.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's do it. Sheesh, guys. NQ doing here? Just trying to decide if I need to put a stop in here. Probably should. Starting to pull back a little bit more here. YM's not cooperating. Sheesh, guys.
Music licensing
It's the trouble.
reimagined.
Come on, NQ. Sorry if I'm missing any comments. Would love to see a little flush to 580 range on MNQ, but just gonna show for. Oh, that was from earlier. Should have taken it up there, eh? It's getting a little greedy. Maybe I'm actually trading the profit and loss at the moment.
Artlist.io.
It's not good. It's not good, guys. Shoot.
Music licensing.
See if they can't buy this
reimagined.
up again. Come on, buyers. Hold this. Need NQ to pop a bit. YM's getting a pretty drastic pullback right now too, so looking like we're probably going to take a stop. I really should have just stopped the note up there. It's too bad. Oh, this volatility, man. Volatility works until it doesn't work, right? We got 2 minutes and 12 seconds on this candle here. Hope that they're gonna hold this VWAP here, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we're stopped out there. That's really too bad, guys. So look, the 330 loss on that one. Just not getting what I'm hoping for out of these trades here. Stopped on a short, stopped on a long. Of course, right? Figures.
Artlist.io.
Took a small short at the top, MNQ at 640. Nice. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just not good. Not good.
Artlist.io.
Just gave back 738 on this account. This is what I get for. Normally, I don't trade such big size. But YM is just dying right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's like 60, 70 points on that short already, Czar.
Artlist.io.
Still holding this level here.
Music licensing reimagined.
You trimmed at 580. Nice. Uh-oh. All right. Well, that fair value gap's failing also now. I should probably stop trading this account before I blow it.
Artlist.io.
887 down on this one account here. Oh, Gail's responding to me on the
Artlist.io.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time, guys.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we swept that low there, guys.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sheesh, guys. Looking like we might even head lower. I don't know. I'm taking some counter trend trades here. Not very smart, to be honest. Don't do it very often, but I'm thinking about reversing this trade right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Uh-oh. My stop got edged there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely shut this account down if this ends up being a failed trade here too, because we'll be up at roughly a little over $1,000 loss, almost at max loss limit on this account, which is 1,200.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it's gonna stop us right here, guys. That's too bad.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
That might be all the bounce we're gonna get here.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh.
Artlist.io.
Almost stopped it there, but thought about getting out right there at that fair value gap, inverted fair value gap. See, give it another attempt here. If we can get back up there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of want to stop this though, guys. See if it pops up a little bit here. Ready to drop this stop here. I'm gonna drop the stop here. Let's cut this trade.
Artlist.io.
Cut it where I did there. So I only got about 250 drawdown on my max daily loss on this account. So obviously I'm not making the best trades at the moment.
Artlist.io.
But good thing I'm trading at eval. Not quite as important.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't want to blow it, but how much drawdown do I got? I got 1,000 drawdown left out of here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Czar is good at picking the tops. I saw that previous day high and I was like a little worried about that and should have been more aggressive stopping out up high at the tops there.
Artlist.io.
But now I'm like not convinced that a short's the right idea anymore.
Artlist.io.
I mean, we do have more room to the downside, like down to value area low or the point of control. So, but then we made a bunch of equal highs up here.
Music Music licensing reimagined.
We can take one more stab here at this trade. We'll go with 4 contracts just to give us a little more room for if we can bounce up here, get to this New York VWAP. A little more, a little more.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So if this ends up popping too much, we'll end up hitting our max daily loss limit. We only got about 250 left for our max daily loss on this account. We did just print a 50 contract buyer bubble here.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. This is gonna be my day, hey? It's just these inverted these fair value gaps. You know, I'm actually finding that these ES is being a little tough to read today since it's trading inside day, still with Dow being trappy, NQ still bullish, but volume is still light this week. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. ES has been very trappy also. Like, look at that. We're just, you know, up, down, and now we're back up. So 11 times 5, that's 55 times 4, 51, 52. This is, I mean, I might as well just put the stop up here. It'll hit our daily loss limit before.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, fair value gaps just aren't working at all right now. Pretty much everyone except for this right here when I held in the morning. Definitely a little tilted on this eval account. Seeing it live. Yeah, we don't got a whole lot of space here left.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Glad I'm not trading any of my funded accounts though. I mean, worst case scenario, like this account was $100, so.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
The good thing is I won a free account today. I wonder if it's a Blue Guardian. I wasn't sure what they were drawing. We got about $100 of drawdown left here. Not even 75 bucks. So basically, if we take much more of this high, I'm gonna be locked out of this account.
IO.
It's getting chopped. So let's go here. Proper match support.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
I'm getting juked out here pretty good, guys. Juking me. I zigged left, they zigged right. Hey Dad, good morning. How you doing this morning?
Music licensing reimagined.
Good morning, guys. That was at 7:46. That was a minute ago. Oh. What a trappy move today, guys. What a trappy move. Let's draw this trend line. See if it's going to help.
Artlist IO.
Still trying to chat with Lucid's support there.
Artlist
Yeah, we're pretty much, we got 20 bucks left here on the drawdown, so we're gonna hit our max daily loss today, probably on this account. Max daily loss limit incoming. I mean, they swept the high here. Let's see if hopefully that's the end of the push, but I doubt it here. But looking pretty strong here. This is our IB high.
Artlist IO.
Come on, guys. Let's not edge me out on this. You know, I feel like adding $50 to this daily loss limit, just so I have a little bit more squeeze room.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. 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 Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Sorry about that, guys.
Music licensing.
Done trading
reimagined.
MNQ for now. Gold's still looking good today. I saw that. She said that. Very nice. Let me take a look at gold here. Ooh, gold's looking pretty heavy right now. Took out the lows. Yeah, I don't know. The way I'm reading this price action, or the way it's chopping me up, anyways, probably shouldn't be trading ES or NQ either.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna look back at this. So they're trying to tell me that I should have an upgrade account button here, but it's not showing up. So. Because this, I think the thing is, like I said to them, it shows a profit target only says 1516 of 3000, but my balance is 5300 because
Artlist IO.
like I said, I got it migrated over, and when I migrated it over, I had about 1500 in there, so that's why it's only showing that amount. 32 days traded on this eval, guys. 34, 32, 35, 34. But that's not even true. These are actually older because I had traded them for... So these accounts took me over a month to pass, or this one did anyways. Probably like 45 days at least. Slow and steady. I did take some pretty big losses in those accounts.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, I have a lot more success actually trading Asia. That's usually when I can make lots of small base hit wins, and then I come to New York and I just end up like losing $400 or $500 every time. It's no good. It's no good. What time do we got here? 8 a.m. Yeah, NQ definitely looked better, hey? Like, definitely held this fair value gap real nice there.
Artlist IO.
Printed another fair value gap here and another one right there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Amazon rushed out its latest AI chip to compete with Google and Nvidia.
Music licensing reimagined.
This news just came out.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of holding this fair value gap on this 5 minute. But now I've been burned so many times. Bitcoin's looking funny. Let me see.
Artlist.io.
Nice little pop though, hey? From 87 up to 91. Kind of recovered that whole drop that we had recently.
Music licensing reimagined.
Can't believe I won another account off Zach Arbucci's stream. That's so good. Passed an eval, won a free account, and then hit max daily loss in one of my evals here. This guy, 1207.
Music licensing reimagined.
What do we got for orders here? We do have some orders above at 700.
Artlist.io.
Held this fair value gap pretty nicely. Wondering if they're going to make a move here or not. What are you thinking? You thinking about possibly getting a gold on a gold short on a pullback here, or a bounce, I should say, maybe.
Artlist.io.
It's moving pretty slow now, the NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
Still no upgrade account button. I think they're trying to work on it on the back end here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We've got a bearish fair value gap at 25,884. So kind of trading that direction, but whether or not, we probably won't be getting there today, right? That would be quite the pop. What is that? From the high anyways. 884. 215 bars. Definitely probably not getting there today. Yeah, this fair value gap is not holding here, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Too many fair value gaps down there. Not really sure what's gonna hold, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
If your kids are watching, maybe pause this for
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sound off a bit more here.
Artlist.io.
Kind of an equal body low right there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. 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 Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry about that, guys. Just dealing with this, trying to get this
Artlist.io.
account, dealing with this support.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Seems like we lost.
Reimagined.
Not sure why, but we lost Randy's stream here. Maybe he's not going to want me to send my stream to his channel anymore.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Again, a pretty big sell-off here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Starting to get that pullback now. Back in up 172 on this trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can get down to this lows here. Start to cover some down here. We got 6 contracts, so it'd be nice if we could just sweep down to those lows. No guarantee though, because this one, which is the NQ, is pulling back.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
NQ is pulling back pretty hard here. Just keep going lower at the moment.
Artlist.io.
Wonder if we're going to get a bounce here, or are we going to push lower down to 430s, 420s?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What do we got here, though? I'm just kind of not really sure. We've been having such inside sort of price action. So we got 5 people in my YouTube and 9 people in the X.
Artlist.io.
Heading lower here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Time do we got here? 8:30. Anybody else taking any trades right now? Getting a bit of a bounce here. See what happens at this this level. They're gonna reject here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Ooh, big move lower there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tapped the 30s. Seeing a little more volume on the tape right now too.
Artlist.io.
What level are we at here? These are probably incorrect, these VWAPs, so don't pay attention to those at all. There's a lot of them there. But let's see here. Let's get back to the 5 minute. The 15. kind of like coming down to the midnight open price or the value. We're currently at value area high, point of control just below that, and then midnight open just below that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
NQ starting to find a bit of a bottom here. Is bouncing a bit. Looks like gold's popping up pretty good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
What are we getting here? What are we getting here? Would be nice if we popped up above this, above these fair value gaps here.
Reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
NQ starting to rip here, guys. 2.5 minutes left here. See if we can't possibly getting along here would be nice.
Artlist.io.
Would like to see a closure up here above this 86 level.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Double check this. Yes, you can screenshot the dashboard, please. Sure. How do I do a print screen on here?
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, there's a print screen button, isn't there? Windows key
Music
and print screen.
licensing reimagined.
And then picture screenshots.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pictures, screenshots.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I don't want to edit this. Pictures, print screen, screenshots. Edit.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music
Getting a pretty good bounce
licensing
here on the
reimagined.
NQ. Sort of heading back to this fair value gap here.
Artlist.io.
And rejecting. Rejected on pushing that high there.
Reimagined.
See if we can push back up here. Be nice if we could reclaim into this fair value gap at least.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Kiwi Canadian. I've seen her win before. That's funny.
Artlist.io.
Kiwi Canadian. They're trying to make some. They're trying to figure out how to update this eval
Music
account.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I think it's pretty crazy that I've won 2 accounts now off Zach's stream. That's hilarious. We got 14 viewers right now. We got 9 in X and 4 in my YouTube. Appreciate you guys for being here and hanging out. Love the support.
Music
Been
licensing
trying to put out a
reimagined.
little bit more content. Been pretty busy lately, but just trying to get some content out to you guys other than just my live streams here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Starting to get more of a bounce here. Come on, let's see if we can't get up above this 520 level would be nice. Sort of holding the 500 level, which is pretty good too.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Can't seem to make any momentum here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Time do we got here? All right, probably gonna only stick around for about 10 more minutes here, guys. Not feeling like taking any more trades at the moment. Just not reading the market so great today. Got chopped up in my one account. Yikes, NQ played both sides of the opening 15-minute range, right? Yeah. Rough one. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Pretty rough. Trump's speaking now, guys. Cabinet meeting.
Artlist IO.
I don't know if he's actually talking yet, but
Music
oh yeah, he is
licensing
talking.
reimagined. Artlist IO.
Let's see if they decide to be bullish on what he says here in this meeting right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
He's saying some pretty good things. They got a lot of investments this year, 18 trillion investments. So should send the NQ up a little bit if we're gonna. Lots of investments from all the countries across the world: Canada, Europe, China,
Music licensing reimagined.
They said they had the biggest sales online of the Black Friday ever. That's kind of interesting. So the most profit
IO.
or sales that they've ever had on a Black Friday. That's pretty interesting.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Trump's speaking right now.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
NQ pushing up here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
There we go. Heading into that
Music
fair value gap
licensing
there.
reimagined.
Are you gonna be taking any trades here, or are you just gonna wait for Trump to stop speaking? Have you been watching gold at all? Bit of a bounce on the gold there. Might get a pullback here.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
So I did take a short on the gold there. Made, what did I make there?
Artlist.io.
About $500. I made about $500 on a gold short there. So
Music licensing
you can see
reimagined.
here I'm up 657. I think I was up 99. So I made about 500 in that gold short there. This is my 150K account. So
Artlist.io.
been going with a little bit bigger size on that guy. Trying to get a 150K eval pass. But since Trump is talking and we're coming up on 9 a.m. Or which would be noon, I'm just I'm not thinking I'm gonna take any more trades today, guys. So I think we'll just wrap it up here. But appreciate you guys hanging out, and we'll be back live tomorrow. Hopefully Mr. Nick will be around soon. Get a little co-pilot on this on the streams. So yeah, what's up everybody on X and YouTube? We got 5 on X and 4 on YouTube, and then we got 5 on X in my X, 4 on Nick's X, and 5 on my YouTube. So 15 viewers right now. Appreciate all you guys showing up. Good times today. Past that eval, max daily loss. One of my what's it called? One of my evaluation accounts from Lucid. Still working on Lucid. It's trying to get me to make this dashboard update so that I can switch that account, this one, and over to
Artlist.io.
over to a funded account. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will be back live tomorrow morning for market open again. So take care. Hopefully you guys are green. Have a good day. Our killer trades as usual, bud.
Reimagined.
I'll see you tomorrow.